Hey feds, here's a great question about Social Security. I get this question every now and then, and it's how do I know that the Social Security statement that I have is correct? So you can log into your Social Security account, download your statement, and what I want you to do is I want you to go through each year's earnings and make sure they're correct. Well, how do you know that they're correct? Well, first off, you can just take a quick glance. If one of them says 0, you know that's wrong. Or if it says you made $2,000 in a year, that's wrong. They should pretty much be close. If you've been working for the federal government, you should be able to look at each one and say, yep, that year I made about that. And really, for most purposes, if it comes out right about right, then you know they've got it right for the most part. It's when it's way off, because they pull these from the IRS. They pull these numbers from the IRS. And so typically they pull the right one, or they pull one that is just so way off that is very noticeable. So just take a glance at it, look and say, is it right? Yeah. Now, if you want to go into all of your tax forms for the last few years and make sure to the dollar, you can do that as well. Typically people just go through and do that, just a quick view and make sure that it's right. If you would like, share, subscribe, and make sure you're coming back for more videos, and come join us for a workshop. Thanks. We'll see you soon.